Genevieve. Meet her right here, right now. And I'm telling you, we are in for a treat with this wig. And before we get into it, let me know your initial reaction. You like it, you love it, or you hate it? Okay. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to be discussing this unit. Yes, this fiery thing on my head. Alright, so this is Outre Genevieve in Ginger Copper. It is a bold color. It very much requires confidence. Confidence required. They need to put that on their package. A certain kind of confidence required. A certain kind of audacity is required with this wig, okay? A certain kind of... And while I struggled to come up with a word, I realized that the perfect phrase in this instance is je ne sais quoi. But this is the unit, and we're gonna get into it. Stay tuned. So this is a unit straight out of the box, and if you didn't know, this is Outre SleekLay. This is part of their SleekLay collection, and the whole point of this collection is that it's supposed to lay flatter than their other collections, and the lace is specifically in the very front and exactly where the part is. I'm scared to open my eyes. I am scared to open my eyes, y'all. Alright. I mean, you know what? First of all, this actually might be cute. Now, going back to the lace, this is the hairline. And the lace is supposedly HD lace. Now, is synthetic HD lace different from human hair HD lace? That's a question that needs answers. This actually might be a vibe. All right, let me go in, cut the lace, tint it, and I'll be right back. Now here you can see a little bit more of the wig construction that I was talking about. The lace being specifically where the parting is, and that is so it strategically lays flatter on your head. Now, I went through a whole lot of emotions with this wig. And you can literally see the wheels in my head turning. So y'all, this is Genevieve. And I can see why they named it Genevieve. It is very much giving Genevieve. Whatever Genevieve is. Whoever Genevieve is. I can imagine this for her. Y'all, alright, so I'm showing you guys how that hairline is looking right now. And with these wigs, I find that a lot of times they don't have too much of an accommodation if you have a widow's peak, and so I find myself having to pull it up a little bit more. And sometimes, you know, you get your edges out a little bit, whatever the case may be, you just got to make it work. But as for this wig, I'll just stick to the middle part. And the reason why I am a little bit iffy is not the curls, is not the texture. And take a note, it is a yaki texture, which I love. I prefer with my synthetic wigs, just so it looks a little bit more natural. But the reason why I'm struggling is because of the color. It is a very bold color. The wig itself, the color itself is gorgeous, but just on me, I'm a little bit skeptical. And you can see as I brush this hair, the curls flatten a little bit. You saw it right there. You really have to gauge and see if it is the best thing to do to brush your synthetic wig in the very beginning, especially when it doesn't have that much of a tight curl in the very beginning. And you guys saw what happened when I brushed it. And I'm curious, just put in the comments whether or not you like how it looks after it's brushed or how it was before. How do I feel? How do I feel? At first I thought it was a vibe. But now that I've brushed the hair out, I don't know. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? What do you guys think? I'm not really loving it. I feel like it has potential, but it's not all the way there. It's not all the way there. Curious to know what you guys think about Genevieve in Ginger Copper. Maybe I just need to get used to it. Maybe it's just one of those things. But y'all, this is Genevieve in Ginger Copper. Let me know what you guys think. You hate it, you love it. The thing about synthetic wigs too sometimes is sometimes some wigs you just gotta gauge it and see whether or not it looks best brushed versus unbrushed. Because this hair I actually liked how it looked before I brushed it. But it's a little too late right now. I already brushed it. And so now it's kind of like, how do I feel? How do I feel? How do I feel? I'm trying to pose and see if I can see myself in real world action with this hair. It's giving very much alter ego in the Lord. Because we don't do none of that demonic personality stuff. Alrighty, thank you so much for watching. If you stayed with me this long, God bless you. Make sure you subscribe, comment, and leave your like. I'll see you guys next time.